Hey everyone, this is going to be the full video I was letting you know about. Once again, I've got this really cool Comoy of London lighter that I like. Very excited about this Cornell and Diehl blend that I've been waiting a very, very long time to try. Well, actually not that long. I've only been smoking pipe for probably less than a month now. So, yeah, just thought I'd do a fun little review real quick here. I have been very excited about Autumn Evening though, so which is why I decided to do a review here. My apologies, but I will most likely ramble. I like to talk a lot. Baby, do I like to talk a lot? It's my wife. She says yes, I like to talk too much. Do you say I talk too much? Yeah, I think we gotta say hi, baby. Okay, she just being quiet over there. We're just going to keep that in the video. It's a naturally occurring bodily function, right? And this is not going to be edited at all, so this is just going to be me having fun. I have already actually opened the tin. I have not tried any of it yet. I really like that smell. You can definitely smell the maple. By the way, it reads here, our proprietary Red Virginia Cavendish is delicately cased with natural maple, resulting in our best-selling aromatic blend. Autumn Evening's captivatingly it's really, really tiny print here. Captivatingly nuanced complexity will stimulate the smoker, while those nearby will be entranced by the inviting fragrance. I like that. All right, I'm gonna do this over. I actually just got done cleaning my pipe as well, just for this blend. Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all this a little too. There we go, perfect. I'm gonna do this over so I don't waste any. It's got like the perfect amount of moistness too. Not too dry, not too moist. Right there, right in that happy medium. Right where you want it. And I just shut the wrong one. I need the tamper. Wow. I'm still learning, my apologies. It just tamps different too, like, I'm very excited. I believe this is definitely going to be my favorite blend I've tried to date. I'm a big fan of Peter Stokkebye as well. Really like Peter Stokkeby's number 38, the Highland Whiskey. I looked at that and my first thought was, oh, it's Scotch. Read about it a little. Just research a bit online. That's the casing they use. Scotch. That's why I like that so well. This smells absolutely lovely, by the way. Baby, did you like this smell? No? You want to say hi? Right. Sorry guys, she don't want to say hi. I'll get her to say hi eventually. All right. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna tamp that just a little harder. There we go. That's feeling better already. Now for the moment of truth. This is what I was excited about. Alright, so we're trying to get the charring light right now. That is nice. That is very, very nice, actually. My stem's looking a little crooked. There we go. Alrighty then. There we go. Now we're trying to get to the actual true light there. I do apologize, I'm new at YouTube as well. I'm trying to be entertaining, but I'm probably very boring right now. Am I boring, baby? My baby says I'm boring. Alright, let's see here. Now we're finally getting some of this burnt and tamped down a little. Now we should be able to get a decent true light now. Don't know if y'all saw that or not, but there had a nice little fire going in my pipe there. That was pretty cool. I like that a lot. All right, we're going to put the lid back on this. Try to keep it as fresh as possible for as long as possible. Oh, it's got a very pleasant taste to it. The maple is definitely shining through when as soon as it lights up. That is really nice. That is definitely my favorite blend that I've smoked so far. That is really nice. Apologize for the noise, y'all. Apparently my wife got hungry and is making her some food. Did you warm up a cheese Danish? That's awesome. We got a new cat. We're trying to get her to be friendly and get along with our other cat we've had for a little over a year now. She's 6 months old. We've had him since he was 2 months old. He's 14 months old now. So yeah, hopefully he's fine with her, but she's just not wanting to try to get along with him at all. Is she, babe? Can you smell it, baby? Do you like it? How do you not like that? let's see if I could get any smoke rings. Probably not. Let's see if I can get this stem to actually work. This pipe is a cheap little $25 pipe. I think it still looks pretty nice. I mean, still really nice craftsmanship there, but I just bought something cheap to see if I actually liked smoking pipe enough before I wanted to spend any decent amount of money on a pipe. But I like it well enough, so thinking about getting a better pipe soon. This is just the start of my collection that I will soon have. It looks like I was able to get a couple there, but not too many there. Still fun to try though. Baby, come say hi. And I'm only going to be here. This video will only be a couple more minutes longer. Those were much better. That was cool. I think I'm gonna leave it with that for right now. This pipe's not smoking as well as it usually does. I'm gonna have to. Might have got a piece of tobacco lodged in it. Sometimes that happens. But after I smoke this, I'll figure out what's wrong with it. So